Welcome back. Today I want to talk about the best ways to get everything you can out of this course. So I know how exciting it can be to pick up a new course and want to learn a new subject. It's kind of everything that I do outside of teaching. I love to get as many books as I can, many courses, and just consume as much information as I possibly can. So this is a pretty long course. We're over 14 hours here. So there's a lot of information here to learn. So I'm just going to talk through a couple things that I think are going to help you be successful at this course. So let's start with the quizzes and exercises. In each section, we have some quizzes, we have some exercises, and then we have some reviews where you and I will go through the actual exercise together. So these aren't just kind of fillers so that I can tell people that I have, X amount of content in this course. They really are meant to help you retain information. So I want you to go through these quizzes, I want you to go through the exercises, and if you don't understand something, please ask. And the best thing to do there is ask on the forum, because chances are somebody else is going to have the same question that you do. So please speak up and I'll make sure I get those answered as quick as I possibly can. So that's the quizzes and exercises. 2, the additional resources. Go ahead and jump down to the end of the course right now if you want to. There's an additional resource section, and we're going to have a big PDF here full of all the information that you need. And this is going to be like a list of books, a list of articles, a list of like podcasts, newsletters, everything that you can try to consume from the Groovy community. So do that. Also, if you're a blogger or you like to create screencasts for YouTube, I think another way to really learn a subject is as you're going through and you find a subject that you really want to try to get a better grasp on. Let's say you're really interested in closures and you want to learn more about them. When you learn something, go out there and write a blog post about it or create a screencast about it. I can tell you from experience, one thing that I've always found is when you want to tell somebody else about something, you are probably a little bit harder on yourself and want to make sure you really understand that subject before you go tell somebody else about it. So those kind of resources have always helped me personally. Maybe they'll help you as well. So I think that's it. Just a couple of tips. I really want you to be successful at this course, not just taking it. So I hope those help out, and let's get into the real meat of the course. We're going to get started and start going through some basics and getting set up. So let's go.